So we'll be doing videos a couple a month about different topics like fashion.
I went blank.
Really? I see that.
Sure did.
Starting over. Start over. Okay.
Take 3.
I'm the mom.
And I'm me.
So welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm the mom.
And I'm me.
And we're so excited to launch this channel in 2018. We're looking forward to doing a couple videos for you guys every month.
Our videos will include fashion tips and ideas as well as recipes.
Yes. So we'll be doing subscription box reviews, product reviews, information about all things women, parenting information, some DIY stuff. But just stay tuned for all videos about things involving women.
All things she.
Subscribe. And what are they supposed to do with the notification
Click
thing?
on that notification bell so you know when we have new videos posted on our YouTube channel.
Hope you enjoy.